Hi, I'm Steve Chu, CEO and founder of SWURV. And I've known Jim McCarthy for a very long time. We worked at Nextech together back in the 2000s. We even moved to London to open the UK office for the company. So we've remained great friends over the years. And when Jim told me that he was going to launch a series of happiness workshops, of course, I was first in line to try it out. And I must say, as an entrepreneur, somebody starting my own company and dealing with the stresses associated with the unknown and the long hours and sometimes not getting a lot of sleep, I found Jim's workshop to be extremely helpful. Jim provided me the tools and the tactics necessary to be able to gain the perspective of balance in my life. And because of that, I'm more productive at work. So if you are in a similar situation as me, whether you're starting a company or simply working long hours, I'd highly recommend Jim's workshop. It'll really help you also gain the right perspective. Thanks very much, Jim. Really appreciate everything you've done for me. Good luck.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, make sure to share with your friends. And then also you can click the red subscribe button in the corner there to get regular video updates from me. Hope you find that helpful. Take care. Thanks.